In this lesson, we're going to talk a little bit about rhythm and improvisation. And I actually think that most of improvisation is a rhythmic pursuit rather than necessarily a tonal or harmonic pursuit. I'll show you what I mean. You can practice your rhythm. I think it's good throughout the practice, just turn the metronome on and keep the click going. So always feel a pulse. You know, I always have mine set around 60, and I use it to increase when I'm trying to learn a passage more quickly. I gradually increase it over time. The tempo is Italian for time, and gradually increase it by a segment to increase the tempo. So it's always good to feel a pulse before you begin playing. Before you begin the music, I like to feel a full measure, and I take my breath on the beat before I enter. So if I'm entering on beat 1, I take a big yawn breath on 4 and come in on 1. So it's good to always have your metronome when you're playing and practicing. It keeps you honest. Another great asset is a drum machine. You can use on your phone. I have one of these drum machines with various styles, and I'm just going to demonstrate how I use this. So let's see, for this one I have it set on R&B style. So I'm gonna, it's a little fast. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So I just feel the beat. I'm just going to, this is rhythmic training, get the feeling. I'm going to take one pitch. Let's start with something nice and easy, an F. And I'm just going to improvise on F. So I'm just going to now improvise using any of the chromatic tones I feel like. 4, 1, 2. I'm just feeling that beat, and I'm just playing random tones, but in the beat. Let's narrow it down a little bit. Let's say something and then repeat it again. Say something, repeat it again. Something else. Something else. Let's change the beat. Change the style again. Let's go to a jazz beat. Play around and improvise whatever you like, whatever comes to your mind. Use different rhythm styles. Start with one note, expand to two notes. Play a flowing, free-flowing extended line, or get in the habit of repeating yourself 4 times and then altering it a little bit, or altering it greatly. A theme and variations. And again, play with different styles. It's nice to go to a Latin style is nice. Listen to this. This is going to really get your rhythm into shape, and it's just mostly feeling the beat, One other exercise I want to give you is take your metronome, and you can hear that beat as 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also hear this as a snare hit on 2 and 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So feel that as the snare on 2 and 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And play against that, and that'll get you really sinking into a groove, feeling this groove. One final way of doing this is get a backing track in a certain key and just hang out in that key and play against the backing track. It's a really fun and useful thing to do.